hindi niya makakamkam yan, mabubuo on his own kung walang basbas ng nakakataas sa kanya. At sino po yung nakakataas sa kanya? Colonel Ibanez. And this gentleman now is lying through his teeth and he's making a fool out of us. So therefore, may I suggest, cite in contempt, Colonel Ibanez.
Exactly.
Malaking isda ka, aamu-amuin ka na namin dito, ibibibihin ka namin. Walang baby rito sa Senado.
So there is a motion from Senator Tolfo to cite in contempt Police Lieutenant Colonel Arnolfo Ibanez. Any objection?
Your Honor, pinapangalawahan ko po ang cite of contempt. Tsaka gusto ko rin pong mag-file ng motion ng contempt din kay Master Sergeant Rodolfo Mayo Jr.
Your Honor, alam mo, ilang may hearings na tayo, itong si Mayo is very uncooperative. Refuse to cooperate with this committee at ayaw magsabi ng totoo. I think it is better if somebody would cite him, would move for the citing in contempt of this Sergeant Mayo.
Pero nakakulong na siya, Your Honor.
Ganito nga, kakulong siya ngayon, di ba?
Oh.
I-cite natin siya in contempt before this committee, then wag na tayo makipag-agawan ng physical custody sa kanya doon sa, kasi may kaso na yan siya, hawak na siya may GMP. So ngayon, kung meron tayong contempt order laban sa kanya, sigurado ako, magagaling yung mga abogado nito. Gagamitin yung mga lapses na nangyayari sa operasyon na ito, makakalabas rin yan. Ang daming pera niyan eh. Ang daming pera niyan, makakalabas yan. So paglabas niyan, imumonitor ng Sergeant at Arms natin, paglabas niya, arestuhin kagad ng Sergeant at Arms at ikulong dito sa Senado dahil existing pa yung kanyang contempt order. So I think that's the best way to do this.
Okay, Your Honor.
Makalabas na yan.
Pwede ba ako mag-suggest?
Yes, go ahead. You
How
make
about
this
kung
motion.
i-cite natin in contempt si Colonel Ibanez?
Yeah, you can do it. We can do it.
Kasi
We can do that.
plain and simple, Your Honor, siya mismo nagsabi from his own mouth na siya yung nag-refer kay Ibanez sa PIDEG. So therefore, lahat ng galaw ng bata niya, alam niya. And he must, and he should know. Alam niya. At yet, nagmamaang-maangan po siya dito sa atin ngayon, niloloko niya po itong committee na ito, ginagawa niya pong bobo ang committee na ito by saying na hindi niya alam ang galaw ng mga bata niya. Of course, this Sergeant Mayo will not do anything na hindi alam ng boss niya. And also, yung ganong kalaking kadami ng shabu na 990 kilos, hindi niya makakamkam yan, mabubuo on his own kung walang basbas ng nakakataas sa kanya. At sino po yung nakakataas sa kanya? Colonel Ibanez. And this gentleman now is lying through his teeth and he's making a fool out of us. So therefore, may I suggest, cite in contempt, Colonel Ibanez.
Exactly.
Para madala. Kasi,
Exactly.
alam mo, Colonel Ibanez at lahat kayong mga pulis na tiwali, I'll give you the dose of your own medicine. Pag yung mga pobreng kababayan natin, mahirap na kababayan, sa tingin nyo, konting salita na nagsisinungaling, kinukulong nyo na agad. Totoo yan, Mr. Chair.
I
Sa
agree.
experience ko,
I agree.
pag meron silang ini-interrogate na sa palagay nila ay involved sa crime na binibintang nila, kahit wala pang ebidensya, agad-agad kinukulong. Sabihin, sinungaling ka, kulong ka, may kasamang batok. Now, how about kung ipakita natin sa malilit nating kababayan na patas tayo dito sa Senado, kung kaya nila magpakulong ng pinaghinalaan ng suspect na nagsisinungaling, kaya din gawin natin yan sa kanila.
Yes, but before, Your Honor, before you make the necessary motion, I would like to acknowledge the presence of Senator Jinggoy Estrada. Go ahead, you can make the necessary motion. And I will,
Colonel?
yes.
Like I said, mataas po ang respeto ko sa mga colonel because my father was a colonel. And I know na hindi pwedeng hindi mo alam yung galawan ng mga bata mo. Kaya mo siya dinala sa PIDEG because he's good. Tama? But you're better. He's good, you're better. Kasi colonel ka, siya ay sarhento. Kasi kung mas magaling siya sa'yo, siya dapat ang colonel, ikaw dapat ang sarhento. Kaya ka naging colonel because you're better than him. So therefore, if you're better than this guy, hindi siya makalusot sa'yo sa lahat ng mga ginagawa niya. Monitored mo siya. Nasa microscope siya mo. And now you're telling us you don't know. You don't know anything about his activities. And for me, that's a big, big lie. And nobody will believe you. Kahit siguro yung kindergarten, hindi maniniwala sa iyo. Totoo po yan. Sino maniniwala sa iyo na bata mo na nirekomenda mo makabuo ng 990 kilos on his own? Pero kanina, sinabi mo, pwede, possible na may kasama. Sabi mo, pating balyena. Tinanong ko kung sino yung pating balyena, ayaw mong sabihin. Hindi mo alam. Diba? Pero alam mo kung sino yung pating at balyena na nasa likod niya. Kaya lang, hindi mo lang aminin. So therefore, Police Lieutenant Colonel Arnulfo Ibanez, sir, you are lying and it hurts us dito sa committee na ito na magsisinungaling ka sa amin. Ayoko naman na lahat ng papatawag namin dito, gagaya sa iyo, puro sinungaling na lang. And that's the reason why I suggest to this committee, to our Honorable Chair, former Chief PNP, Senator Bato de la Rosa, now a Senator, is to cite you in contempt. Para ipakita sa taong bayan na hindi lang malilit na mga Pilipino ang pwedeng ipakulong. Dapat makatikim din makulong yung mga taong nagpapakulong sa mga inosente natin mga kababayan. Ilan na pong napakulong nyo, Colonel? Ano ko lang. Matanong ko. Ilan na po yung nahuli nyo sa mga bypass operation?
Marami po, Your Honor.
Marami. Ilan po doon na naplantahan?
Hindi po ako nagpaplanta, Your Honor.
Kasi nga po, kaya sobrang dami, Mr. Chair, ng shabu, pwedeng ginagamit yung pamplanta. Saan sila kukuha ng pamplanta, Mr. Chair? Doon. So yung sa savings na yon. Planting of evidence. Meron silang gustong ipitin, gusto nilang makulong. Ipipitas lang doon sa 90, kukuha lang silang 1 kilo doon. O, paplanta doon. Planta rito, planta doon. Kaya ako'y naniniwala, Mr. Chair, marami mga nakakulong ngayon sa iba't ibang kulungan natin sa Pilipinas, mga inosente at biktima ng papaplanta. And ito na ebidensya. Ito na ebidensya. Nakaipon sila na pagkarami-raming shabu, ginagamit yung pamplanta, recycling. Colonel, isang tanong na lamang po. Ilang taon na po kayo sa serbisyo?
25 years, Your Honor.
25 years. Mahabang panahon na ho kayo sa serbisyo, di ho ba?
Yes, Your Honor.
So, in that 25 years sa service, don't tell me hindi mo monitored yung gawain ng mga bata mo. Di ba SOP yan na dapat monitor nyo yung galaw ng mga bata ninyo? May tinatawag na command responsibility, tama?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. So kung gagamitin natin yung salitang command responsibility, dapat ikaw ay maparusahan din. At yung parusa na yun, for now, umpisa natin for you to be cited in contempt. Command responsibility. Ba, naniniwala ka, di ba, sa PNP? Narinig mo yung salitang command responsibility, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
So if you'll follow that principle of command responsibility, then meron kang responsibilidad with this guy, Mayo, and therefore, dapat ikaw ay makatanggap din ng parusa. Tama ba, Mr. Chair?
I agree with you, Your Honor. So, please make the motion now so that I can approve your motion to cite in
Yes.
contempt.
Yes, Mr. Chair, that's what I'm intending to do. I'll file a motion na cite in contempt, Colonel Ibanez. Ipakita po natin sa taong bayan, sa mga Pilipino lang, sa mga mahirap nating kababayan, na ang Senado ay patas. Na
Yeah.
hindi porket malaking isda ka, aamu-amuin ka na namin dito, ibibibihin ka namin. Walang baby rito sa Senado. Pantay-pantay, mahirap mayaman, mataas ka man o mababa, pantay-pantay ang turing namin. Therefore, kung nakapag-cite in contempt kami ng mga maliliit nating kababayan na nagsisinungaling, dapat yung mga malaking kababayan din natin nagsinungaling, ang pwede nating cite in contempt.
So
Be it a
there,
colonel or be it a janitor.
so there is a motion from Senator Tolfo to cite in contempt Police Lieutenant Colonel Arnolfo Ibanez. Any objection?
Your Honor, pinapangalawahan ko po ang cite of contempt, tsaka gusto ko rin pong mag-file ng motion ng contempt din kay Master Sergeant Rodolfo Mayo Jr.
Yeah,
So move, Mr. Chairman.
yeah. Before placed on my table, first is the citing contempt of Arnolfo Ibanez. So I will decide this before I decide on the citing in contempt of Sergeant Mayo. So there's a motion and it has been seconded by Senator Robin Hood Padilla. Any objection? There's no objection. So Sergeant Police Lieutenant Colonel Arnolfo Ibanez is hereby cited in contempt before this committee. So ordered. Sergeant at Arms, mamaya na niyo kukunin pagkatapos ng investigasyon. Dito lang muna. He stays here, then afterwards, kulong niyo sa baba. And there's another motion from Senator Robin Hood Padilla to cite in contempt Police Master Sergeant Rodolfo Mayo. Is there any objection? Hearing none, the motion is approved. Sergeant Rodolfo Mayo is hereby placed in contempt. So ordered. Sergeant at Arms, all you have to do, nakakulong mo ito ngayon, hindi tayo makipag-agawan ng physical custody niya with the BJMP dahil meron siyang kaso. I-monitor lang ninyo, kapag na-dismiss yung kanyang kaso at ito'y napawalang sala dahil due to technicality, alam kong i-exploit yan ng kanyang mga abogado, yung technicality sa kanyang pagka-aristo. Dahil dito nga, lumabas na yung mga kapalpakan ngayon na ginagawa ng PIDIG. Pag ito'y lumabas, coordinate nyo, BJMP. Kapag lumabas si Sergeant Mayo, please, huwag ninyong i-release kaagad. You call up General Angkan, our Sergeant at Arms sa Senado, para i-turn over yung custody sa kanya. As far as you are concerned, he is free as a bird. But as far as the Senate is concerned, his contempt order is still in effect. So we will have to take custody, physical custody over Sergeant Mayo. Sabihan mo yung boss mo sa BJMP na huwag niyong i-release yan kapag may order na yung korte na dismiss yung kaso. Call up Sergeant at Arms at kukunin namin yan. Okay? Thank you.
Mr. Chair,
Yes.
natutuwa si Mayo. Kasi sa BGMP, walang electric pa nga dito, aircon. O, di ba? Naka-aircon ka, Sergeant Mayo, tapos masarap ang pagkain dito.
Tingnan natin. Tingnan natin. Tingnan natin.
Chairman,
Yes, go ahead, Senator Pino Padilla.
opo, gusto ko lamang pong sundan. Ginoong Tagapangulo, nais ko pong ipahayag ang aking motion na i-withdraw naman ang contempt citation ko kay Police Captain Jonathan Susongko sapagkat kahapon ay kasama natin siya, nakita ko yung kanyang hindi naman kooperasyon, kung hindi nakita ko at naramdaman ko na nasa kanya pa rin ang pagiging pulis, Chairman. Maraming salamat po. I so move, Chairman.
Thank
Mr.
you.
Chair.
Yes, before I act on the motion,
Before acting on
Senator Jingo Estrada, you have the
before
floor.
acting on the motion of Senator Robin Hood Padilla, may I know if Captain Susongko has already admitted or divulged the name of the informant?
Not yet, Your Honor. Kaya nga, I am inclined to advise Senator Robin Hood Padilla that
I object, Mr.
we will act on his motion later after we ask questions from Susongko.
He should, he
Senator
should-
Robin Hood Padilla?
He should reveal first the identity of the informant before you act the motion of Senator Robin Hood, because I will object to that.
Yes, I agree. I agree. And Senator Robin Hood Padilla is amenable to that. He agree with that.
So-
Yeah, he's very much agreeable with your comment, Senator Jingo Estrada.
Thank you.
So,
As long as he reveals the true identity of the informant, if he does not want to reveal, he must be kept in jail.
Yes, Susongko, you answered the question of Senator Jingo Estrada so that I can act on the motion of Senator Romero Padilla. If I'm not satisfied, your contempt order stays.
Your Honor, as I have told yesterday that regarding dun sa circumstances no ano, Your Honor, I think that the information regarding that is the information, sir, regarding